Well, thanks everybody for joining us. My name is John O'Brien. I am a sales manager at Panasonic Canada. And before we get started here, just a couple of notes, housekeeping notes. First off, we are streaming on Facebook Live. So please, for those of you that are social, please do follow and like us on Facebook. And as well, we're on Twitter, of course. So please follow us at Panasonic Canada. So today we're going to discuss some new trends in the Canadian housing market. And as well, we're going to talk about Panasonic's innovative appliance lineup and how you as builders and developers can set yourselves apart from everybody else in this ultra-competitive landscape. So let's begin. And first I want to talk about our mantra at Panasonic, which is a better life and a better world. And for us, this goes far beyond a catchy slogan. And really what this means to us is expanding and pursuing a better life for all of our customers. And when it comes to a better life, a better world, I want to just maybe share with you a couple of really neat projects that we're doing that really embody that mantra. Has anybody heard of our Smart City of Denver initiative? That's a bit obscure. Okay, this is a really, really neat project. Imagine, if you will, you round the corner in your neighborhood and street lights illuminate your path. And then as you pass, they dim to save energy. Imagine you pull into a crowded shopping mall and your in-dash system in your car tells you where the closest available parking spot is. It's pretty cool. Or you show up at the train platform and you receive a notification on your phone for when the next train is arriving. That's pretty cool stuff. We also have a partnership with this little company called Tesla. Have you guys heard of this company? Tesla? Okay. I'm seeing some head nodding. Yes, I think so. Okay. We at Panasonic are the exclusive supplier of the batteries. Have a seat, sir, if you like. Stay a while. We are the exclusive supplier of the batteries for the Model X, Model S, and the all-new Model 3. Pretty cool stuff. Anybody have their Model 3 on order? Oh, a couple people in the audience. Okay, all right. Anybody been to the ACC lately? Thank you, sir. Anybody been to the ACC? Okay, a couple people. You know those beautiful big video boards right in the middle at center ice? And all those beautiful ribbon boards around the outside? Anybody want to take a guess at what company did those? I'll give you a hint. It's us. So what I'm trying to convey to you folks is that, people recognize Panasonic for all of our great brands, for stuff like our Panasonic appliances, which I'm going to tell you about, Techniques, Lumix. People remember us from our plasma televisions, best-in-class picture, and now our OLEDs. But we do a lot of things that you might not be aware of. So as we continue our commitment to a better life and a better world, we set very high expectations for ourselves because quality engineering is in our DNA. That's what we are built to do. Sleek, elegant, and sophisticated. These are few of the hallmarks that we're known for in the industry. And we think our products make Panasonic the ideal partner to strengthen and support your business. So today I'd like to bring attention to our built-in kitchen lineup, and there'll be more on that to come. For about 50 years, Panasonic has influenced the kitchen, delivering reliable and innovative products that tap into the current needs of consumers and trends in the marketplace. We have evolved our kitchen portfolio to create a completely integrated suite of kitchen appliances that offer ultimate performance, convenience, and flexibility. Panasonic offers an extensive family of products that leverages our decades of experience and expertise from markets around the world. And we want to be your partner in building better homes. Through our understanding of current trends in the Canadian housing market, we're working with you, the builders and developers, to deliver inventive new solutions to the home. We're seeing a number of factors impacting how we live, and we're well positioned to bring to market products that your clients want to see in their homes. So over the next few slides, I'd like to discuss some trends that we're seeing and the impact that they're having on the business. The Canadian mindset. So here's something that's not going to surprise you. Consumers are coming to purchase decisions armed with research. It's not a shocker, is it? And this is particularly true when it comes to their homes. They source information through publications, Pinterest, HGTV, Google. And Canadians are more informed than ever before. And this is really the new normal. For new home builds, it's an expectation that premium is the standard. Upgrades in design need to be high-end and deliver impact in the home. And when they look to you, the builder, to be partners in their home building experience, you are the trusted guide through this process. And that's a very, very powerful influence. So here's something else that's not going to surprise you. Urbanization is happening in Canada. Okay, and it's not just the younger demographic that's flocking to big cities. In fact, according to StatsCan, 1 in 8 families are living in condominiums in Canada's largest cities. 1 in 8. Think about that. And these shifts will have implications on the housing market and how homes are designed. And by Panasonic offering products to maximize every square foot, no matter how many there are, we're helping you, the builder, meet the needs of this urban housing market. Here's another stat for you. 650,000. 650,000. That's the number of immigrants that have come to Toronto alone from Asia since 2011. 650,000. And each year, we have 250,000 new Canadians coming to our great country, soon to be upwards of 300,000. And this provides an opportunity for brands like Panasonic. But why does this matter to you, the builder? Well, when clients walk into your model homes and see a familiar brand that they trust, they're more likely to feel a connection with that home and build trust in you, the builder. And trust is very, very delicate, but as well, very powerful. Now let's talk about space optimization. Because we know that you, the builders, are looking to optimize every inch of space in order to meet your investment goals. We know that it's hard to create a livable space that as well offers you the ability to maximize your space. And these are the challenges we're working hard to meet with our products. And we think that you're going to be impressed by some of our small but mighty innovations. The Panasonic Kitchen. We know that you understand the importance of creating a space that offers both form and function. Whether you're working with a large suburban home or an open concept loft, the kitchen needs to optimize space and performance. And we understand that space optimization is increasingly important to your buyers, especially as the housing market evolves. With our high quality and innovative product lineup, you will see that our portfolio of a kitchen appliance offers buyers the features that they want most. And now I'd like to share a few of those with you. So Panasonic is inspiring the ultimate kitchen experience. And we're doing that with super high efficiency refrigerators, induction cooktops, built-in 3-in-1 and 4-in-1 combination ovens, over-the-range microwaves, and combination products that offer versatility and function. Now, each of these components complements one another by offering users the ability to customize their space. So let's dig in a little bit deeper here, because I bet all of you are wondering, what is this gadget he has on stage? Well, what you're looking at here, folks, is a 24-inch, 4-in-1 combination oven. And this is a very unique appliance, something that's not out there in the market currently. And the interesting thing that it does is it minimizes the need for other appliances. And let me tell you how. So this compact steam oven offers 4 different cooking functions. You can steam, you can convection bake, you can grill, and you can microwave. Now, each of those cooking functions you can use in isolation, you can use in sequence, so one after another, or you can use them simultaneously. And it really opens up a wide variety of ways that you can cook that you may not have thought of previously. And not to mention, of course, it has a sleek design and features touch control and blue LEDs. So maybe we're all aware cooking with steam is very healthy. It helps us retain nutrients in whatever it is we're cooking. So I'd like to give you a few examples of how one would use this type of oven beyond the scope of what you might think it can do right now. So you can use steam convection, which is great for things like breads, soufflés, pastry, to infuse a little bit of moisture in whatever it is you're cooking. You can use steam and grill at the same time. You know, for something as simple as toasting a piece of bread. You no longer do you need to have a boring toast in the oven. You can use steam and microwave, which is great for things like fish, vegetables, and chicken. So maybe you use about 300 watts of microwave and direct steam, and it'll shorten the amount of cooking time that you need in order to create your meal. You can use convection, grill, and microwave all at the same time or in sequence to speed up that Tuesday night lasagna. So really, this is a piece that will make your life easier. And I think you get the idea that with the 4-in-1, with this 4-in-1, the possibilities are endless. So next I'd like to tell you about our induction cooktop. Now, I think most people in this space would be aware of the benefits of induction. Of course, it cooks faster, it's safer, more energy efficient, and easier to clean as compared to a radiant cooktop. And our induction cooktop, which is in the middle over there, brings sophistication and functionality to your kitchen space. You can either build it into an island, or you can put it under a retractable countertop to maximize your available counter space. But what makes us different? What separates us from all the other induction cooktops in the market? Well, the first thing is our infrared Genius sensor, which accurately measures the temperature on the cookware, not on the glass plate. And this gives you a better cooking control on a wide range of temperatures, everywhere from 65 Celsius all the way up to 230. We also offer a flex zone, which accommodates various different types of cookware, giving flexibility and convenience. So very innovative and very stylish as well. And lastly, we have a 30-inch counter depth refrigerator. Now this piece is it's pretty incredible. And this fridge is smarter and more versatile than any other product on the market, in my opinion. And today we're introducing it. It's super high efficiency, and it's beautiful. And we're actually over in booth 207, so I encourage everyone here to come by and check out this incredible piece. But again, what makes us different? What makes our 30-inch counter depth different from all the other 30-inch counter depth fridge on the market? Well, the first is a technology we call EcoNavi. Okay? And this is 5 kinds of sensors that work together to detect and analyze conditions of use and maintain ideal cooling without wasting any energy. So very high efficiency. You have sensors, a storage sensor, which detects the volume of food. You have a light sensor, a door sensor, a room temperature sensor, and an internal sensor. So this is a very smart fridge and very high efficient. As well, we have Nano-E technology, which is Panasonic's proprietary technology, which are electrostatically atomized water particles, which suppresses 99.8% of invisible bacteria, mold, and other causes of bad odor. This fridge will keep your food fresher longer. With its glass on stainless finish, it's both durable and easy to clean. With our easy to open bottom drawer and independent vegetable drawer, again, it offers features that your customers are looking for. And I think you'll agree that this refrigerator is unlike anything else on the market. So why choose Panasonic? Well, we offer intelligent technologies that make the most of any space. Our products are versatile and they're designed that way. Our built-in kitchen portfolio offers customizable approach to maximizing square footage in both large and small kitchens. And our lineup is space conscious and compact with full-size functionality. Of course, as you've seen, our products are stylish, they're premium quality, and very reliable. But don't take my word for it. Let's cue a short case study from one of our builder partners, Georgian International.
The condo project at Windfall at Mountain House, we consider a high-end project. Where it's set on 10 acres of land with just 230 units, it truly is remarkable. When we first came to Panasonic showroom, I believe it was about 6 months ago, we came down with our Vice President of Construction, myself. Whenever we were considering Panasonic kitchen appliances for our units, we really had that same expectation that it was going to be high-end. We really felt that Panasonic offered some great smaller products without sacrificing functionality.
As a designer, I was looking for an innovative solution that would work with the modern design that we're envisioning for the project. Smart living comes through smart design. We spent a lot of time considering all aspects of the design of the Mountain House suites, and we expect that our homeowners will want the best functionality for the space provided. We chose 5 appliances, the 30-inch wide refrigerator, the 24-inch induction cooktop, 24-inch wall oven, a panel-ready dishwasher, and a 30-inch over-the-range microwave. We liked the fridge because it fit within our design without having to sacrifice capacity. The induction cooktop, functionally it was equal to a traditional cooktop, but in 24 inches. We thought the wall oven was super stylish and complemented our Euro kitchen design. We're excited to be working with Panasonic. We're excited that they have that brand recognition. We really think they're leading edge.
They don't just sit back and be comfortable with the products that they have. They're very innovative and trying to keep pushing forward. We're always considering our end user or our homeowner, and we just felt Panasonic that they had the best products to offer.
Again, what a great endorsement. This is a project up in Blue Mountain where they're choosing to differentiate themselves in the market with some really high-end, beautiful appliances from Panasonic. So I just want to say thank you to everybody for your attention today and listening to our presentation. You know, I think that we can offer you value and a unique product that, again, will help differentiate yourselves in a very competitive landscape.